Howdy YouTube, how you doing? This is gonna be the first installment of a video, or a video series basically, of me doing eBay and Amazon full-time. It's gonna be fun. First off, we need to fix this room. Need a better lens. Alright, much better. So look at this room here. This room is a mess, as you can see. This is all dead stock, and since I will be doing this full time, this is what I've amassed recently in the last couple months. So we will be, doing this full time. So we gotta, make it efficient. This is all inventory here, and yeah. Just to give you more context on the next clip, I realized that I needed a better table, a standing desk, so I went on Facebook Marketplace and I bought one. And that is just the clip that you're gonna see. Next is me buying a table from, I drove like an hour to pick it up, but 75 bucks, man. You can't buy that new from, no standing desk costs that much new, especially at this length. This is 55 inches long. Needed a long workstation. This is the scale I use. I think I paid like 50 bucks for the scale. This is the U-line tape gun. Game changer. So much cleaner, so much smoother. I used to use some cheap Amazon one that I bought in a bundle. It was two for like 20 bucks or something. Definitely worth the investment. This was about like 25 bucks or something, 30 bucks I think. Definitely worth it. Just went and picked up a table, and it's in the back right here, as you can see, right there. She's watching me film a video. I think she wants to be in the video. Let's see. Okay. I'm waiting for a bridge to go up. But yeah, picked up the table for 75 bucks out Facebook Marketplace. I didn't get scammed this time. And look at after. Wow. Look at it. It's much more organized. Put the table here. Set that up as well. Got a surge protector. Looking pretty good so far. I'm really focusing on the tiny details like this because I believe when you have a clean setup, that you do work better and smarter and cleaner. So I'm trying to make this perfect as possible. It's crazy. That's why I need a truck. It's hard to get a truck when you don't go in debt. Yeah. But we did it. Sedan. A small one too. I forgot to video it. I did not do a tutorial of setting this thing up, but this is the reveal for, holy moly, that looks crazy. But that looks so much better. Oh shoot, I forgot. I just realized that I broke that thing. Shoot. I gotta leave that up, don't I? But yeah, it looks great. Looks wild, but man, it looks so much better. Alright, so that's just to make my life easier. I'm gonna film on my phone, but this is the room here. I did show it in the last clip, but another update, like as of today, basically. Like, what is this? This is the 8th of April 2025. How the room looks. It's definitely not as clean as it was before, but I'm doing eBay maybe a month and a half or 2 months in now, full time. And I have scaled it to about 10K for every 3 months. That's coming from like 5 to 6K when I first started. But I have about 480 items on the store, and it's mostly tech. I mostly basically items that I can buy low and you know, sell for high. That's eBay, but it's mainly tech items. So like monitors, phones, docking stations, and etc. etc. So I'm just gonna give you basically how the room looks now, and yeah, how eBay's treated me. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. I like it. I just need to dial in what I buy, because I have a lot of like a lot of items that don't have the best sell through, and yeah. But the goal is just to list as much as I can, because I do have a lot of inventory that is not on eBay currently. So let's see. Give you the wide angle, even though it's not the best lens. So that is, you know, storage, or not storage, but shipping material here. Also, you know, you gotta have the cat food. But basically all these items here are on eBay, and all these items as well. So this corner here is not on eBay. I'm working to get everything out of here. This is like the remnants of the when I started. Basically all the stuff that's not on eBay. I just need to buy another shelf. I actually need to measure this soon. And I bought this Husky shelf at Home Depot for about $186 because I got the credit card. And yeah, I'll pay the credit card off. I won't use it, but hey, it's free $25. I'll take it. And yeah, so this is how the room looks now. And yeah, this is the light box. I do eventually want to get rid of this shelf here. This is from my this used to be my room basically before I got married. So this used to be my room, and now it's the eBay room. Thank God. But yeah, it looks decent. This is the table that I was talking about that I bought, about $75. Standing desk here. It's a mess down here, but slowly and surely I'm cleaning up this room, and it's gonna look phenomenal when I get everything structured. But yeah, this is it. This is it for now. And this is a light box, or I take most of my photos, and probably 90%. And yeah, that's the setup. The desk is a super dirty, you know. It's been worse though. It's slowly getting better. This whole room is slowly getting better. This shelf, game changer when you have a lot of inventory. Game changer. I highly recommend getting like, I honestly should have got like an 84 by the 84 inch one, because this is 72 inches. If I had 84, I would have more room for the inventory here. But I need to buy another shelf here, so I'm gonna do this measurement soon. I wasn't even recording. Great. So that's the end of the video. This was just a quick I'm full-time on eBay. If you have any questions, you can ask below. I've been doing this for roughly around 3 years, like 2 years part-time, and this would be like the first year I'm doing it full-time. So we'll see where it takes us. God willing, to the moon. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.